Good morning. In this video, we are going to study about corrosion. From that, methods of corrosion prevention we are going to study. This is from surface engineering subject. I am David, assistant professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Methods of corrosion prevention. Proper designing. By means of proper designing, you can prevent the corrosion. Then proper selection of materials for the environmental concerned, cathodic protection, modification of the environment, corrosion inhibitors, protective coatings. By these methods, we can prevent the corrosion. Proper designing and material selection. Selecting the proper material is essential for long-term corrosion control. There is no material that withstands corrosive attack in all environment. Materials must match the environment that they will encounter in service. Avoid galvanic corrosion by following methods. Dissimilar metal conduct cannot be always be avoided because of weight, cost and functional issues. Never join different metals and alloys. If not possible, insulate them with efficient moisture resistance electrical insulator. Greater the separation, more rapidly anode will corrode. Never use a design if relative sizes of the cathode and anode are widely different. Manufacture bolts, screws, nuts and riveting from a more noble materials than the members to be joined. A small anode such as Al aluminum joined to the large cathode will result in a high current density on aluminum and hence a high rate of corrosion. Avoid L, T and U-shaped profiles in constructions. Greater the number of angles, corners and edges, it becomes more difficult for efficient surface treatment. Avoid improper insulation. Leakage of current can take place which causes anodic corrosion. Avoid the contact of metallic object with moisture. Water cannot be avoided but can be controlled with drain paths, drain holes, sealants and corrosion inhibiting compounds. Design should be such that retention of moisture is as low as possible. Design the storage containers should be such that they can be completely drained and cleaned. Using of proper metal. Purity increases the corrosion resistance. The rate and extent of corrosion increases with the increase in impurities. The corrosion resistance of aluminum depends on its oxide film formation, which is highly protective only on the high purity of metal. Using of metal alloys. The suitable alloying increases corrosion resistance. Cathodic protection. Cathodic protection is defined as the control of electrolytic corrosion by forcing the structure to be protected to behave like a cathode. One of the most effective and economical method of preventing corrosion. It can be efficiently applied to control corrosion of surfaces that are immersed in water or exposed to soil. Most commonly used system to protect steel, water or fuel pipelines, ships, etc. Sacrificial anode method. The method involves the use of a more reactive metal as sacrificial anode along with the less reactive metal to be protected. Sacrificial anodes are pieces of metal usually electrically connected by the conductive wire to the surface to be protected. De-aeration. The de-aeration is done to prevent corrosion due to oxygen. Dissolved oxygen from water is removed by physical or chemical means. Dehumidification. Moisture from air is removed by dehumidification using silica gel to prevent corrosion. Neutralization of acids. Corrosive environment due to presence of acids can be minimized by injecting alkaline neutralizers. Corrosion inhibitors reduce corrosion rate when added in small quantity. Then protective coatings. Protective coatings are means for separating the surface that are susceptible to corrosion from the factors in the environment which cause corrosion to occur. Most widely used corrosion control technique. Coating of oil, grease can be used to give temporary protection coating. Organic polymers or rubber latex can be applied to give coatings which can be stripped off when required. The paint is most commonly used coating. And types of coating applied on the metal surface is metallic coating, chemical conversion coating, organic coating. Thank you.